Hi guys, it's Sunday. My name is Isla. If you didn't know, I'm on a walk again. My little one's having a quick hour nap, so I thought I'd get a quick walk in, and I'm basically in a field in Hampshire, and this is where I've seen black deer. It was last weekend. I filmed it, but I don't think it actually showed you. There was a black deer in here, and it was just somewhere over there, and it came jumping over here, and I was not 100% confident with it, so I kind of had to spook it. And I know there's a farm there, but I have to be careful. I know farmers, I think, let you walk down here. There used to be foxes here, I don't know. I used to come here a few years ago and there was foxes apparently. The man would sit with a camera, wait and wait and wait for a fox or someone to come out. I've seen deer here, but there is black deer, so I don't know if I can get close into these woods to see. I'm going to go to that gap there, see if there's anything, but I don't want to go too far because I need to get back soon. Lots of poos, and there's no deer, but they might come out in the evening, I'm guessing. I've come out in the afternoon. There's a red kite, I don't know if you can see it. I've seen a lot of red kites. I went to the park with my little one, and it's woods and everything. Oh, wow. This field is getting quite narrow and narrow. I'm not sure if I want to keep going, but what's a pigeon, shall we say? Don't know if I should be coming down here. I don't know. That's where I've just come from. I think I've seen people do. I did this ages ago, this walk, when it was just the fields being cropped or something. I know there's deer here. I just want to see. Where are they? I want to see. Are they still around here, the black deer? Or have they crossed the road and gone to a wood over there? There's so many woods here. They could have gone. Or are they hiding in this weeds? I would have seen them by now. I know there's loads of deer somewhere over there. Over these woods into another field.